Alright, Heppel. This is what we've created for y'all children. Alright. Into the graveyard. The lights on, Dommy? Oh, there we go. Ooh. Here at the end of the graveyard, we have a skeleton. Here's the mirror.
You can come up from over here if you want to.
Hello.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
That is awesome.
Down here.
You like it?
That's a scary red light.
You love it. Oh shoot.
And then they enter through here. And this is where they'll be able to pop balloons, have all the candy. And there's the ghost up there. Alright, now we're gonna turn, go down this hallway. There's spider webs and masks all down here. And spiders. They're gonna have to crawl.
That light really burns.
This is the last hallway. Looking back, we just came through. Okay. Alright. Through this tunnel. Dead bodies everywhere. Black light. This is where we come out. And there we go.
Thank you so much.
Mhm.
Yeah, this just
Alright, how to stop this thing?
press the red button.